Hello, I'd like to talk to you today about our unique anchoring system and why you should be using it when holding mats down in a concrete cow yard. Our unique anchoring system comes in a 3-piece. It has this insert, it has the stainless steel pin, like such, and it has a shaped washer. The importance of the anchor is that it holds the mat in place. So when installing mats, do all your cutting, do all your laying before you do any anchoring. When your mats are all in place, then go around and drill. You need to drill the hole a minimum of 80 millimeters. That's the length of the pin. So you don't want the anchor bottoming out when you're trying to nail it in. When you go to put it in, you place the plastic insert in. You can tap that in with a hammer. Then you put the pin in the special shaped washer and knock that in. We use a vertical type hammer to nail these in, but you can use any type of hammer. When the anchor gets knocked in, it should sink into the mat so that when you put a straight edge or a ruler across the top of the mat, there should be an air gap of at least 2 or 3 millimeters. This means when the cow stands on the mat, she won't actually touch the anchor. The other important unique feature with our anchoring system is once it's been hammered in, you can actually take it out with an impact driver if you ever needed to replace something under the concrete or take that mat out for any reason. I hope this has been helpful to you, and if you need any more help, just feel free to give us a call on 0800 686 119.